Hey, I'm Alyssa of Alyssa Wine Home Styling, and I think one of the hardest things about decorating a home is putting art on the walls. How high should it be? How wide should it be? How many pieces do I need? So I want to show you my trick for how I put art on the walls perfectly every time. Here's an example from my home. I've got a wall at the back of my living room. Right now there's a buffet down here, but what am I going to put on the top part of this wall? This is so easy, you're gonna love it. All you need is some painter's tape, a measuring tape, and a pencil.